So, how Secrets Anonymous came to be, it was one day where Michael, he heard about me going to school assemblies and he goes, "Hey, can I go with you?" And I was like, "Sure, why not?" And so we went to a school assembly, and during the school assembly, I told a story about my dad because my parents, they got a divorce when I was like 2 or 3 years old, and I didn't get to see my dad a lot, and so that meant that I didn't get a lot of dad hugs growing up. And if you don't know what a dad hug is, a dad hug says, "I love you and you don't have to do anything for me." A dad hug says, "I think you're great and you don't have to be the superstar athlete. You don't have to get straight A's. I just think you're great because you're you." I'm standing in front of this gym of students. There's probably about like 500 or 600 students there. And I just said, "Hey, if there's anybody in here today, if you know you need that, I want you to come down and I want you to get a hug from me because I give the best dad hugs ever." They've got their hands up and tears are welling up in their eyes. And when I look, I can see the pain. I can see the hurt. I can see how they're relating to these stories.
Here's why this book is needed. Over 5,000 students every single day attempt to take their own life in the United States alone.
Which is the second leading cause of death for ages 12 to 24 years old. This takes more lives than cancer, heart disease, AIDS, all combined. Students choosing to take their own life.
And this is shown through secrets. And secrets reveal themselves in so many different ways.
It could be revealed through depression, drugs and alcohol, bullying, and unfortunately, suicide.
So how can we change these statistics? How can we get through to a student whose secret is killing them?
We real people's secrets. We let them see real students who have experienced life-changing moments and be able to read my secrets as a student and other students' secrets across the country. And then we give them real answers to the questions that they're asking.
And we put that all inside of a book, Secrets Anonymous.
Let's share secrets. Let's make sure that nobody feels alone in their secret anymore.
Right, we are not here, just us two. Instead, we're asking for help. We're asking for you to help us to spread hope to those students.
And to share people's secrets.